part? Because you're Puerto Rican.
Yeah, but it's Spanish. Hi, my name is Tony, and I have 3 gentlemen here from my class that are gonna actually speak their language. We have 1 Greek, we have 1 Nigerian, and we have 1 Mexican here. And what we're gonna do, and 1 Puerto Rican, but I'm not gonna talk. I'm talking right now. What we're gonna do is they're gonna speak their language. They're gonna have at least 30 seconds to, or if I give them an extra 10 seconds, that'd be fine, right, guys? You guys will be fine with that. To speak whatever they want to speak in their language. And they have to be funny, they have to be artistic, charismatic about it, and they just got to be funny. So, and we're going to go alphabetical order, country-wise.
How would you know for being funny with speaking our language?
Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's just funny because we don't know what we're
Oh, because it's some gibberish.
Greek is first. Right.
Who?
Greek, Nigerian, and Mexican. That's true.
Mexican.
It's like a joke.
It's like a joke, but it's
By
not.
itself.
But it's not.
Why? How is it a joke?
How is it a
Oh,
joke?
because Mexican goes last?
Because the Mexican goes last.
There's a Greek.
Come on, man. And here we go. I'm choosing it. I'm choosing it.
Nigerian goes last.
I'm gonna pick the Mexicans first, actually.
Nah, go with the Greek.
Nah, bro.
Nah.
You're first, bro. You ready? Starting now.
Okay, yo me llamo Rogelio, yo vine de México. Estos son mis compañeros de clase. Este se llama Babatunde y este se llama Dimitrios. Lo que tenemos yo y él en común es que él vino en barco por agua. Yo vine también por agua, pero yo tenía que cruzar el río. O sea, ¿me entiendes? Pero yo tuve que cruzar el desierto después de
15 seconds.
La migra, man. La migra cuando corriendo. O sea, ellos no juegan, ellos matan a los niños chiquitos, los llevan para atrás, para todo México.
You ain't got no balls, boy.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
I just ran out of it.
And that was the Mexican version of blacked out talking, I guess you want to say. And we're going to bring it over to Nigeria now, go to Africa. And we have, for that, we have Babatunde.
Hey man, we speaking now. Well, I want people with me. So little coming man, you know, I'm gonna bubble with me. I'm gonna bubble with me, man. Everything that happen, man, you know.
Not really, speak your language.
Actually, what happened? I'm already my classmate, Dimitri. Last year, I'm a Greek today. I'm so little boy, man. I'm so little boy. I'm Mexican, Puerto Rican. I want to be sure I can bad and I can share in someone. The waiting that happen, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm going to sorry, man. I'm going to try to find one correct saw someone, you know, but
10 seconds.
when you think so can understand. But boy, what is that? We'll go away, but my wife. Anyway, well, these are, you know, one time, one love, you know, from like Jassy from West Side.
I didn't even know.
Oh, crap. This is hilarious. Alright, last person we got is the guy from Greek, yo. This guy's hilarious. His name is Demetrius, and he's going to throw it down like nothing before, yo.
Hey, rapper.
¡Opa! Pero espera, para Carangioso, hablo puertorricano, para Carangioso mexicano, que era puertorricano, culero, piso, tiene puertorricano, ni directo, el africano. Que espero del africano que topera por piso, reina, por piso, go, topera, que africano, que topera, necesito nigiria, necesito, canamica, que me está ahí los mexicanos, tienes todo. Mira, tu pedito. A mí tiene que ser goste. A mí no es matón. Tiene que puertorricanos, pendax, milagros, nation, que tiene que topar. Tiene una pizza, digamos. O sea, que no pedí. A la que tú estés a matar una seis, en campana, tú dices, a la dex na cancha, pero tengo un taxi y digo, es dos. Δεν δεν ήθελα να βλέπει κανένας, ο πάει καλά γιατί παγγελών. Αλλά δεν πειράζει, εγώ τους γάμα όλους και τους. Είμαι γενικότερα τους γάμα όλους, δεν έχω πρόβλημα. Όποιος δει αυτό και ξέρει ελληνικά, πάρτε με τηλέφωνο, άντε γεια.
Wow.
Telefonero, pero para no
Wow, that was amazing.
Oh, man.
That was amazing. Estos tipos son unos bocas, guau. Unas bocas.
Hands down.
Esto fue un honor tener estas 3 personas aquí conmigo. No sé qué decir. No sé qué decir. Esto fue a freírme. En verdad, esto fue a freírme. Thank you. That's it. That's all we got. Say goodbye, y'all.
One love, my people. Whatever.
Ada ya.
Opa!
Paz, mucho amor.